Hi again, Year 2. If you're watching this video, you've completed the first activity and you feel really confident with column addition so far. As I mentioned at the end of the last activity, things do get a little bit more complicated when the number in the ones column is greater than 9. We have to use our knowledge of place value again to help us. Have a look at this video. It will help you to see what happens when the number in the ones column is greater than 9.
Let's add 25 and 18 using base 10 blocks and a place value chart. We can show 25 using 1, 2, 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Let's write 25 here. We can show 18 using 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Let's write 18 here. First, bring the ones together and find the total. There are 13 ones in all. Let's replace 10 ones with 1 10. We can move the 10 block over to the tens column in the place value chart. There are 3 ones left. Write 3 in the ones column and write a 1 in the tens column to show the 10 block that we put there. Now, bring the tens together. There are 4 tens. Write the 4 in the tens column. 25 plus 18 equals 43.
As you can see, when you do a column addition and the number in the ones column is greater than 9, you can make a group of 10 and move it into the tens column. Then you can count the ones and the tens to find your answer. In the video, the teacher moved her group of 10 over to the tens column, and in her sum, she wrote a little number 1 at the top of the tens column. I'm going to write it slightly differently today. Have a look at the activity we've set for you. We'll do the first few together. Have a look at where I put the 10 that I move over. I put it at the bottom. You can pause this video and rewind it as many times as you need to until you feel like you've really got it. So here's today's activity, the column addition practice with regrouping. So again, on my sum, I'm going to label my columns tens and ones. Now in this column here, I've got 8 add 3. Now that's going to be bigger than 9. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 has 1 1 and 1 10. Can you still see the number 11? It's a bit wonky, but it's there. And I've moved my 10 over and I've written it at the bottom. Not like the other teacher, she wrote it at the top up here. So now I have 2 10s, 1 10 and 1 10. 2, 3, 4 10s. And my answer is 41. If I look at this one, this is my ones column and my tens column. 8 add 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 has 4 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. You can still see the number 14, just a bit wonky. So I have 1, 1 and 1 in my tens column. 1, 2, 3. 34. Let's have a look at this one. This is my ones column and my tens column. 9 add 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 again. And 14 has 4 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. And there's my wonky number 14. And I've got 1 10, 3 tens, and another 1 10. 3, 4, 5. And the answer, brilliant, 54. This one here, 6 and 6. Remember from our doubles lessons, 6 and 6 is 12. 12 has 2 1s and 1 10. And there's my number 12, or wonky. 2, 3, 4. And the answer is 42. Last one on this row, 7 add 8. Well, I know that 8 add 8 is 16, so 7 add 8 will be 15. So I put a 5 in the ones and a 1 in the 10. There's my wonky number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 55. Now you have a go doing some of these sums yourself. Remember, you don't need to print out this sheet. You can write the sums neatly in your book. Can you remember what's so important about writing out column addition sums? That's right. You have to make sure all the numbers are neatly lined up in the correct columns. When you feel really confident with this type of column addition, have a look at the next video. It shows you what to do when the number in the tens column is greater than 9. Things get even more complicated then. If you feel really happy and confident, you could make up some column addition sums for yourself, like the ones in the next video. Have a go at solving them. Have a great day, Year 2. See you again soon.